A businessman invests 7,500 at an interest rate of 12% per annum, compounded annually for 5 years. Calculate the future value of the investment after 5 years. And compute the present value of receiving 15,000 in 5 years at a discount rate of 8%. So we start with the first one here. Okay, so future value equals present value 1 plus r to the power t. Since there's compounding, so whenever there's compounding, you always divide r by n and multiply n by t. Now, in this case, it's compounded annually. So, what is the value of n? Mhm. So, we don't need to even do those divisions and multiplications there. Okay. Okay, so we substitute because we want to find the future value. Okay, so the present value 7,500, the rate 12%. Of percent 0.12. The time 5 years. You have 7,500. 1 plus 0.12, 1.12 to the power 5. Let's get our calculators. What's 1.12 to the power 5? 1.762. 1.762 times 7,500. 13,200. Okay. Yes. Okay. Can we go to part B? Compute the present value of receiving 15,000 in 5 years at a discount rate of 8%. Whenever I hear this word discount rate, okay, it's a term used in finance for just converting, or in mathematics basically, just converting a future value into a present value. So here we make present value the subject of the formula now. So present value equals future value 1 plus r to the power negative t. Other books, you see it as future value divided by 1 plus r to the power t. They mean the same thing, okay, colleagues? They mean the same thing, okay? So our future value in this question is 15,000 because, as I said, the formula can be rewritten as this. Now remember the law of indices, madam? Remember the law of indices? When you have a negative exponent, it's the same as what? Yes. So with this formula, it's like multiplied future value times 1 over 1 plus RT. So since this is at the denominator, if you want to bring it on the numerator, then that law of indices, you reverse it now. Okay, madam, it's just the indices here, laws of indices just being applied. Okay, this and this, same thing. Our discount rate, 8%. The power negative t, we said, what's the time in this question? 5 years? 5 years, yes. So to the power negative 5. Let me just erase this here. Power negative 5. So 1 plus 0.08, that is 1.08. So let's get our calculators. 1.08 to the power negative 5. What value do we get? Let's tell me what is 1.05 to the power negative 5. After give me that value, then 0.6805. Okay, so 0.6805 multiplied by 15,000. 10,000 to, okay, we can just end it. Since in these questions you're dealing with money, so the best is just always leave to two decimal places, okay? Yes.